Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the topic powers and exponents in this self-practice 4B 6th question. See the question. Find the value of x in each case. B question. Minus 3 power x minus 1 is equal to minus 243. Here you want to find out the x value. Before you are going to find x value, check whether bases are equal. Here bases are different. So you need to change base as same. So 243 divide with 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Again divide with 3. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 is balance. Then 21. 7 3s are 21. Again divide with 3 table. 9 3s are 27. Again divide with 3 table. 3 3s are 9. Again divide with 3. Then 3 1s are 3. So 243 we can write 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 243 we can write 3 power 5. So instead of 243 place, you will write 3 power 5. Minus 3 power x minus 1. It's equal to, already a negative is there. So write negative as it is. Only instead of 243, we can write 3 power 5. Now, check children, the bases are equal. So bases are equal means powers also will be equal. Right? Bases are equal. X minus 1 is equal to 5. Powers also will be equal. Here you want to find out x value. So along with x, minus 1 is there. So this minus 1 you will move on to that side. So x is equal to 5. Minus 1 if you are moving from that side, plus 1. X is equal to 5. So answer of this question, x is equal to 5. Are you clear children? D question. 5 power 9 divided by 5 power 3 minus x. It's equal to 5 power 10. Here also you want to find out x value. But here bases are equal in division. If bases are equal in division means powers we want to subtract. So using this exponents law, a power m divided by a power n, it's equal to a power m minus n. That means division power you want to subtract if bases are equal. So 5 power 9 minus of 3 minus x, it's equal to 5 power 10. So bases are equal. Powers also will be equal. 9 minus 3 minus x, it's equal to 10. Remove the bracket. 9 plus into minus is minus 3. Minus into minus plus x, it's equal to 10. 9 minus 3 is 6 plus x equal to 10. X is equal to 10 plus 6 if you are moving from that side, minus 6. X is equal to 4. So answer of this question, x is equal to 4. Are you clear children? If bases are equal in division means power we want to subtract. Bases are equal means powers also will be equal. Using that condition, find x value. Next question. 7th one, simplify the following. Here you want to simplify. Before you are going to simplify, you should check whether the bases are equal. Here, bases are equal in division. So power we want to subtract. But 3 and 9, it's a different bases. So we need to change 9 as powers of 3. So 9, how we can write? It's 3 square. So instead of 9 place, you will write 3 square. 3 cube whole square multiply 5 square by 3 square. Already square is there. So put the bracket and top of that you will put power 2. Then multiply a power m into a power n. What do you want to do here? We want to multiply a into mn. 3 2s are 6. So 3 power 6 into 5 power 2 by 3 power 2 2s are 4. Into 5. If there is no power means you will consider. Now the bases are equal in division. So what do you want to do here? Powers we want to subtract. 3 power 6 minus 4 multiply 5 power 2 minus 1. 3 power 6 minus 4 is 3 square into 5 power 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 square is 3, you want to multiply 2 times. 3 3s are 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. So answer of this question is 45. Let's see the second question, same like 3 power 8 into a power 6 by 9 cube into a cube. So here also 9 is there. So 9 you need to change powers of 3. 3 power 8 into a power 6 by 9 we can write 3 square, then a whole power cube multiply a cube. Next you want to remove the bracket, so powers you should multiply. 2 3s are 6. 3 power 8 into a power 6 by 3 power 6 into a cube. Now the bases are equal in division, so power you will subtract. 3 power 8 minus 6 into a power 6 minus 3. 3 power 8 minus 6 is 3 square into a cube. So we know already very well 3 square is 9 a cube. So answer of this question is a 9a cube. And C question. Already we know in exponents law anything power 0 it's equal to 1. So a power 0 is equal to 1. Let's see the question. 5 power 0. What is the value of 5 power 0? 1 plus 4 power 0 is 1 plus 3 power 0 is 1 multiply 3 power 4. 3 power 4 means 3 you want to expand 4 times then multiply. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 into 3 power 4 is 81. Multiply 3 1s are 3, 8 3s are 24. In this question anything power value is 0 is 1. So 5 power 0 is 1, 4 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1. Then multiply into 3 power 4. Add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 into 3 power 4 is 81. Then multiply, we will get the answer, children. So answer of this question is 243. Next question. If 3m square divided by 3m whole square whole power m is equal to 1 by 81 is given. Here you want to find out what is the value of m. So here bases are equal in division. So what do you want to do here? You want to subtract the power by using a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n laws. So 3m square divided by, so square will multiply, remove the bracket, 3 square m square whole power m, it's equal to 1 by 81 we can write 3 power 4. Now bases are equal in division, so powers you will subtract. If there is no power means you will consider as 1 minus 2 m power 2 minus 2 whole power m. It's equal to 1 by 3 power 4 we can write 3 power minus 4. So 3 power minus 1 m power 0. Anything power value 0 is 1. So m power 0 is value is 1. So 3 power minus 1 into 1 whole power m, it's equal to 3 power minus 4. Let's multiply. 3 into minus 1 is 3 minus 1 into 1 is 3 power minus 1. So multiply with the power 3 power minus m, it's equal to 3 power minus 4. Here bases are equal, so powers also will be equal. Bases are equal. Minus powers you will equate. Minus m is equal to minus 4. Both the side negative, so cancel. M is equal to 4. So answer of this question is m is equal to 4. Are you clear, children?